our friends the squirrels have really been chewing away at the lead jack that's around this plumbing stack. This will definitely have to be replaced.
And that's where we'll begin our repairs, by removing the old jack and putting in a new one. To get the old one out, I'm prying up the surrounding shingles with a flat bar and carefully pulling the nails so I can completely remove any shingle that rests on top of the roof jack flange. Now this will allow me to remove the old chewed up roof jack and replace it with a brand new one. You can find these jacks in a variety of sizes to fit existing vent pipes at your local home center or hardware store.
Now all we have to do is carefully position the new shingle in behind it here. You have to kind of carefully slide this in so that you're not tearing any of the shingles around, and get it right back in place. Then you can take your little 7/8 inch roofing tacks like we used before and carefully lift the shingles up and put your nail in at the top of all of your water gaps. Now I'll continue nailing this in so that we won't have any problems with that. Then the last step will be to take the hammer and just roll this right down into the vent itself.